What if lightning strike continuously like this video? Imagine the consequences. Lightning is a very rapid and massive discharge of electricity in the atmosphere, some of which is directed towards the Earth's surface. June to October was the southwest monsoon season in India, but this year lightning incident inflicted more damages and death than the usual year. Meteorologists said that the climate change was the reason for this enormous amount of lightning incident. Every year Indian farmers make up a large portion of the 2,500 people killed by lightning in the country. Farmers died working in rice paddy fields, which are often huge tracts of flat and flooded land. Farmers need some fully enclosed metal-topped vehicles to provide such a lightning-safe location, but they may not be available nearby when needed. We're not even able to control this coronavirus. How we're going to tackle this climate change? No one knows answer for that.